Hi, I am BJ. I am standing at the St. Helena now. Where is the St. Helena? St. Helena is in the middle of Atlantic Ocean, which is we are sailing by cruise from Cape Town to this place. It take us 5 nights and 6 days. Anyhow, we are here with the team, the skill from Thailand, who come to build airport and wharf, and we're really proud to be work together and be part of the success with Basurit, one of the largest company from South Africa. If you're looking for skilled people for your projects, please talk to us, talk to me, then we can work together as a team to bring people to work for your projects, and sure, we're going to finish on time. Thailand, one of the best to select Thai skill.